Hello everybody, see you again with me, Mr. Mulyadi. This time I'm gonna show you live without editing. I'm gonna show you some drawing, okay? Before that, we're gonna prepare first. Okay, this is the model. You can choose the best model from the Instagram from anywhere. And I have this Bali Artist Conte. You can use any brand that you have, okay, any brand. I prepare this ready sharp. I already prepared before I start. Okay, and this one is Duso. Duso is for rubbing, okay, for the detail. Some of them I think I need a bit tissue here, okay. Okay, I don't have more time to tell you anything. Okay, let's start to do. Okay, here. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel because it is worth for me. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna draw the eyes first. If you need helping line, you can do also with pencil like this. Okay. Actually, drawing is about expression. So you express your hobby, express your emotion, express anything from your mind. So make it fun. Okay, the eyes now. Now I draw the highlight here. I hope you can comment so I can do again this live drawing directly without editing. If you like, okay, I hope you like. Yeah, it's done. Give a bit shadow and then use your finger to make it soft the texture. If you don't like, you can use tissue. And this one I need to make it more to soft the detail. Okay. And the other eyes. The eyes should be balanced, yeah. This should be bigger than this, so you make it. This is small, yeah. I have to make it bigger. Okay. You know, in some time we need to prepare all the things. So because this is live, so whatever the result is okay. The most important you can follow, right? Don't forget to see the other video. Yeah. I think you can give me some comment. What should I explain to you during my live like this, so I can do. Okay, I just want to spend 10 minutes, so if this is not finished, you can finish by yourself. Okay. And this one you have to measure the nose position, not too long, not too short. Okay, here is already here. And this is not too big, yeah, because I want the beautiful one here. Just simple rubbing, and then you can see the shadow. if you like live drawing like this, I want to make more because it's easy for me. I don't have to edit. Here you have to measure the mouth. After that you shape. Okay, I honestly in here I am not find a similarity because of what I just want to see the character, the beautiful character from this photo. If you want to make similar, you have to measure you have to make sure the sketch is similar, so it's need time to do. Because here you have to measure and you get it. What time is it now? We still have times about 4 minutes. Don't worry. Here you have to measure the position, so it is not too thin, not too fat. Okay. So here you divide by the texture of the volume of the hair. Yeah, here again the other one. If you want to improve your improvement for this, you can make it different by you can change the hairstyle, or it's going to anything you like. See, give a bit shadow here. It's depend on the drawing that you want. Okay, if you want to draw more realistic, you can spend a lot of times. You can fix again and again your drawing until the result will be realistic. But if you only want to make sketch like what I do, just do simple one. Okay, and this is the important part. You have to strong boundary between the face and the hair, because the shadow of the hair is dark. You can make like this, double, and like this. See. You can play your tone, okay, when you wrap up the drawing. Okay, you cannot press too hard and you cannot press too light. It's depend on the dark that you want. If you want dark, you can press it. If you just want to soft, you don't have to press. I like this. You want to add a bit here. Okay, I think this is done for my drawing. If you want to add something, just give me comment. Yeah, thanks so much for watching my channel. Bye bye.